I see the world not just as a sequential reel of scenes and faces, but as slivers of a fleeting reality, a record of our time on Earth. They say that the eyes are the windows to our soul. I believe they are. And I have made a career making images that I hope can reconnect us to our soul through the eyes of those who stand in front of my camera. I've learned that to be a photographer, one must truly learn to see the world, not just with our eyes, but also with our hearts. Images must not just have a soul, they also need to have a purpose. From the beginning of my career, I have sought to create images that show the beauty of the world, images that connect us to our planet and to each other. And even though much of my work aims to build our collective love for nature, it is in the connections I make with people where my true passion lies. For almost 30 years now, I've been roaming the farthest corners of our planet, spending time in communities that time has forgotten. People who still remember how to carve a living from the earth with their own bare hands. People that are still connected to the operating system of our planet. Modern society often casts their knowledge aside, dismissing it as primitive or archaic, and yet they have lived near the land for countless generations, watching the same tide flow and ebb, the sun rise and set on the same beach for thousands of years. They remember the rhythms of rain and snow, of spring and fall, and they know that not all is well. In a rapidly changing planet, one that should be striving to heal itself, we would be wise to listen to their teachings. Learn how to live with a lighter footprint on the land and sea, and learn how to work with Earth instead of against her. Every new person I meet is an opportunity to create a bridge of empathy. Wherever I go, I seek their company, their friendship, their wisdom, and through my images, I try to connect what they know and their stories to the rest of us, so that we all might learn how to heal our planet together.